All she wrote for this shower. Everything's caulked, siliconed in. This will be a bulletproof shower for a lifetime. There you go. Marble shower, baby. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D back at you. So today I got another pricing video for you. You know, another how long, how much type of video. So we're going to be talking about is a shower I did in 2020 over the fall. And what I'm going to do is go through the whole thing, show you a few photos like I'm doing now, then explain to you, what went into the project and how much can you expect to invest in a shower like this. So to give you an idea of what we're working with here, this shower was 6 feet long by about 3.5 feet wide. So a pretty big shower here. It was all marble, so all natural stone from the floor to around the curb, up the knee walls, around the bench. Everything was stone, all marble. Really nice thing here. So this job, we're going to talk now about, what it took here to do the job, okay? We're going to kind of keep it short. I'm going to put out some more videos on this project, the install, things like that. But right now, we're just going to talk about, what kind of time could you expect if you hired myself and my company to do a job like this? How much could you expect to invest on a really nice custom higher end, natural stone shower? So this job took me a total of 16 days, a total of 119 hours to get this thing done. So, it's over 3 weeks I spent on this shower. When I came into the project, everything was ready to go. I just had to prep the walls and start hanging board. The client did all the framing, all the plumbing, things like that. So, how much could you expect to invest in a project like this, like when you hire myself and my company to do the job? So this would be on a higher end. Showers can get enormous, so it could be more than this, but this will just kind of give you a general idea. If you have a shower this size with natural stone, how much could you invest to do it, okay? So with the amount of time and hours I did at the time, the price I actually gave the client was lower than expected. This job took me longer than I thought, because I've done a lot of showers 5 feet, but I haven't done any this big in a while. And when you have natural stone, they actually tend to be different thicknesses. So when you set them, you got to pull them on and off. It's a very time-consuming procedure to install them flat and have no lips, which that's what we aim for, a nice clean flat install. So I to be completely upfront with you guys, I underbid the project. So client got an amazing job. I learned from it, so it's a win-win. But according to my prices now in 2021, we're in the winter of 2021 right now. If I had to do this job again, with the amount of time that I know it takes and the hours I have put in and all the materials and everything, you can expect to pay right around, now this is going to give you an idea, it can vary somewhat, but for this exact project, if I did it now, the client would have invested $13,500. So I hope this helps you give an idea of, real world here. This is not no HGTV, they blow in, blow out type of job here. This is, your local tile contractor that's reputable. You can look us up on Google, see our reviews. We have plenty social media presence, Instagram, and plenty on YouTube here, Facebook as well. Check us out. I'm just a person with, trying to make an honest living. Working for people and producing a seamless transformation in their home that'll last a lifetime. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoy this video. Donnie D signing out.